Yes, student, this reaction is very important to distinguish one aldehyde to another aldehyde, and second one aldehydes to ketones. Getting? Even it is used to distinguish one of the ketone to another type of ketone. We will discuss how it takes place. So this is what haloform reaction. Halo, that is X. Okay, and haloform, that is called CHX3. This compound is called haloform. If we write chloroform, then will become what? CHCl3. If you write bromoform, it will become CHBr3. And if you write iodoform, then will become CHI3. And remember here, most of the time the students are committing mistake in writing the formula of compound. What they used to write? They used to write CH3Cl. But no, you have to write CHCl3. CHBr3, not CH3Br. And CHI3, this is I, this is not L. CHI3, not CH3I. So, very first, what is haloform reaction? When, okay, aldehydes or ketone which consist methyl, okay, carbonyl. This is the most important condition. What? There must be what? Methyl carbonyl group. Okay, and I can even write only. Okay, gives haloform reaction when treated with halogen molecule, that is, we can write what? X2, because we are dealing haloform, therefore we will write X2, that is halogen molecule, and concentrated sodium hydroxide. Are you getting? Or you can say alkali. Simply you to write here what? With alkali. Any of the alkali. You can write KOH, you can write NaOH. Actually what? Actually X2 when reacts with NaOH, it forms NaOX. Okay, this is called hypohalite. This is called hypohalite. Getting? NaOX. There is sodium, so you can write here what? Sodium hypohalite. If it is potassium, then will become potassium hypohalite. Are you getting? Actually, NaOH and X2 on reaction form this compound, and this compound reacts with aldehydes or ketone. So aldehydes or ketone which consist what? Methyl carbonyl group can give this reaction. Like here, if I do start writing CH3, C double bond O, and this is H. That means what? Carbonyl group is attached with CH3. This is called methyl carbonyl. So this compound on reaction with NaOX, or you can write what? NaOH, okay, plus what? X2. That is what? Halogen molecule forms very first what? It forms C, okay, and I used here X, therefore I will write CHX3. This is called haloform. This is called what? Haloform. Are you getting? Now, how the reaction takes place? Getting? So individually we can write the two steps reactions or one step reactions. Like suppose we are using iodine. Okay, so CH3 C double bond O and H plus NaOH plus here what I2, right here I2, three molecules of I2, it forms C. Okay, and now this is H and there is what I3, CHI3, getting? This is called iodoform, the yellow crystal of iodoform. Okay, plus rest of the compound. Look at here, the bond break down from here. Therefore, now it becomes HCOONA. Getting? And the remaining thing is what? From here plus 3HI. Getting? So this give iodoform. This is of what? Yellow crystal. Yellow crystals of iodoform. Getting? I told you ketone also gives this reaction. Okay, so you can write with what? Ketone says CH3 C double bond O CH3. So again there is what? Methyl ketone. Look at here, methyl ketone. Getting? So with the same condition, NaOH plus 3I2. Okay, will form. Now what? This compound is converts into iodoform. That means CH and I3, and the remaining portion will be CH3COONA. So there will be CH3COO and what Na, and then plus 3HI. This is the another matter. Are you getting? So this compound is again called what? Iodoform, and is a yellow crystal. Now, student, as I told you, this if the any other aldehydes or ketones are there, like HC double bond O, okay, and this is aldehyde. So there is no methyl ketone, yeah, methyl carbonyl. So what? No reaction. Similarly, if you write CH3 CH2, okay, then CH2, okay, then C double bond O and then CH3. This type of ketone, okay, will give. But if we say CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 and CH3, look at in this compound the carbonyl group is not attached with the CH3, therefore this compound will not give the haloform reaction. Similarly, if you have to prepare what? Chloroform, then besides of H2 you have to take Cl2. If you have to prepare bromoform, then besides of H2 you have to select what? Br2. Is that clear? So this reaction is again very versatile reaction which is used to distinguish formaldehyde to acetaldehyde. Formaldehyde do not use, acetaldehyde use. This is used to distinguish propanone, but propanone with what? Formaldehyde. So propanone gives but formaldehyde do not use. This is used to distinguish pentane 2-one and pentane 3-one. Pentane 2-one gives reaction, but pentane 3-one do not give reaction. Why? Because there is no methyl carbonyl group. Yes.